Hey everyone! Are you tired of spending hours trying to create content that goes viral? Well, you're not alone. Creating engaging articles isn't easy. Enter Viral Articles Maker. Today, I'm diving into this game-changing tool that promises to simplify your content creation process. So what exactly is Viral Articles Maker? It's a software designed to help you generate viral-worthy articles quickly and easily. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or entrepreneur, this tool is here to save you time and effort. Let's talk features and benefits. First up, it's super user-friendly. No technical skills needed. The content it produces is optimized for social sharing, meaning more traffic for your site. It automates the article creation process, effectively eliminating writer's block. Plus, there are customizable templates for various niches and brands, making it versatile. And it's cost-effective, so you won't need to hire expensive writers or agencies. Now, how does it work? Simple. You just input your details and the software generates an article tailored to your needs. Those customizable templates I mentioned, you can tweak them to fit your brand perfectly. I played around with it, and let me tell you, it's a breeze to use. You can churn out quality articles in minutes. From tech blogs to lifestyle pieces, the possibilities are endless. Alright, let's talk price. The regular price is around $190 a month. But guess what? There's a limited time offer reducing it to just $19. And that's not all. You also get bonuses worth $700. Things like affiliate fire extinguisher and customer list builder. And if you're not satisfied, there's a 2-day money-back guarantee. Who should consider buying Viral Articles Maker? Honestly, anyone who needs to create engaging content fast. Bloggers, marketers, entrepreneurs. If you're looking to save time and boost traffic, this tool is for you. Now, onto some frequently asked questions. People often wonder about the support and limitations of the software. From my experience, it's pretty robust, but always check their FAQ section for specifics. To wrap things up, Viral Articles Maker is a powerful tool designed to make your life easier. It saves you time, effort, and money, while helping you create content that's primed for virality. Don't miss out on the limited time discount. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description and the pinned comment to get your hands on Viral Articles Maker at the discounted price. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Catch you in the next video.